Welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to diffuse dry a lived-in textured bob haircut. We prepare the hair with sea salt spray and a small amount of curl cream or moisture product. Be sure to emulsify the product evenly throughout the haircut. To create a similar result, you could use texture spray and mousse. Before starting, press the haircut into shape to activate and enhance any curl or movement. Gently cradling the hair up, we use our diffuser to face down. Using our hand to elevate our sections up will enhance any waves, curls or movement in the hair texture. In areas where we want minimal body, you can use your fingers to elevate the hair up, directing the airflow down. This method works for all hair types, straight and wavy and curly hair textures. We continue this process working around the head shape until the hair is mostly dry, as you can leave a small amount of moisture in. You can also dry 100% of the shape. You can finish the style with a small amount of sea salt spray or serum to create an even more lived-in result once dry. Once the hair is almost dry, I flip my hairdryer facing up to create volume in the curtain bangs and any areas you want to accentuate. If you'd like to see more diffusing tutorials like this one, check out the card above or in my description below. If you like this tutorial or learnt something new, be sure to hit the like and subscribe icons and let me know in the comments below. If you like this haircut, you should watch the tutorial next. Thanks for watching.